Hello, today I'm going to tell you Brightspeed Internet honest review. Is it worth it? The pros of Brightspeed Internet would be affordable fiber plans. Brightspeed offers competitive fiber optic plans starting at $29 per month, providing high-speed internet without breaking the bank. Also, no data caps on contract. Customers enjoy unlimited data with no long-term commitments, making the service flexible and hassle-free. Also, ongoing fiber expansion. The company is investing in expanding its fiber network, aiming to bring faster internet to more areas. Cons would be limited fiber availability. Many locations, especially rural ones, still rely on slower DSL instead of fiber optic service. Also, variable DSL speeds. DSL customers may experience inconsistent speeds, making activities like streaming and gaming frustrating. Also, customer service growing pain. Some users report challenges with customer support and service transitions from CenturyLink. In conclusion, Brightspeed is a promising internet provider with affordable fiber plans, but its limited fiber availability and ongoing service challenges make it a mixed experience depending on your location.